In today's video, I'm going to teach you Claude AI versus ChatGPT. By the end, you'll clearly understand where each tool shines, when to choose one over the other, and how to switch without losing what you rely on day to day. Let's start with ChatGPT's strengths. If you want quick answers, casual back and forth, or a fast second opinion, it's excellent. It's designed to be responsive and easygoing, which makes it great for brainstorming titles, drafting short emails, clarifying a concept, or turning a rough idea into something usable in minutes. Another standout is its rich ecosystem. With plugins and integrations, ChatGPT can connect to other services, bring in outside data, or trigger actions beyond plain text. That ecosystem lets you extend its capabilities without a lot of setup, so it's convenient for people who value speed and connectivity. Now, where Claude tends to excel is depth and continuity. It offers a larger context window, which means it can take in and reason over much longer documents in a single go. If you need to analyze a report, compare multiple sections of a long policy, or maintain a complex thread across many turns, that extra context keeps the conversation coherent. Claude is also strong at structured reasoning and planning. It lays out steps, tracks, constraints, and keeps the thread organized, which is helpful for project plans, multi-stage research, or intricate instructions. When you give Claude a complex prompt with several parts and conditions, it usually holds the whole picture without losing the flow. If you're considering switching, you can often replace ChatGPT with Claude without losing functionality, especially for writing, analysis, and planning. Most everyday workflows, summarizing documents, drafting long-form content, mapping tasks, or conducting structured research, transfer over cleanly. To make the move smooth, bring your favorite prompts, keep your instructions consistent, and test with a small real project to confirm the outputs meet your standards. If you rely heavily on specific plugins, identify equivalents, or alternative connections, so your automations keep working. To wrap up, think of ChatGPT as quick, casual, and plug-in rich, ideal for speedy answers and integrated tasks. Think of Claude as your go-to for deeper reasoning, larger context, and structured workflows that demand stability over longer sessions. Pick the one that matches the task in front of you, and don't hesitate to combine them. Rapid checks and lightweight drafts on ChatGPT, heavier analysis, and multi-step planning on Claude. That way, you get the best of both worlds while staying productive and in control.